Okay, so it's actually day 16, but we've just come back to finish a couple of things this morning, me and John. So it took us 15 days. We are Oakwood Garden Rooms. I promised you a full tutorial. I hope I've provided you with that. If you follow me around, we'll have a look. We'll talk about everything we've done and we'll go through the full job as well. So what we've done, we've connected up into his electricity supply there, 10mm steel wide armoured cable. We've dropped it down under that flag and we've run along that gravel path and we've run down the side of the border and then over to the garden room. We've also got two Cat5 cables there as well. One's actually fixed and the other's like just in case there was an issue with that one, so there's two there. So the steel wide armoured's gone down there. I showed you that. We buried it at 600. We've put our tape over the top of it as well to warn anybody that's digging that there's a cable there. We've gone right down the border, we've gone round the back of these trees, we've cut across this lawn and we've gone up the back of the unit and straight in, and I will show you that in a minute. Right, so we took out his laurel bush that ran the way along. We've put in a feather edge fence there as well. We've put in a little border around which we've infilled with slate so that his little lawnmower can come up to that and find its way around. Right, so on the back we normally use feather edge, but what we've done on this one is fix these roofing sheets to it. They're finished in anthracite, no maintenance on them required at all. We fit a bulkhead there light as well. He's asked for it to be that low before somebody says up because so the light's not shining over the fence. There's a photo cell there which I'll explain for you as well. There's a gutter and down pipe which runs across. We've dropped it into this water butt so you can harvest his water. We've backfilled all this with slate chippings, 20mm slate chippings. So if you remember, from the start, we used our concrete pile system. We've built it up. We've used our 4x2 and 4x3 treated. We've infilled with 100mm insulation. Then we used 22mm Aga Protect on the floor. We built our walls out of 4x2 CLS timber. Our roof, because it's over a 3 metre span, we've dropped in 5x2s, but we've doubled them up. We've bolted them together. Inside, we put 50mm insulation in the walls. We have also put some sound block. Just show you these doors. That's literally, they're as good as you can get. Absolutely brilliant doors. Inside then, so we've 50mm insulation in the wall, 100mm insulation in the ceiling. We've then put a moisture barrier on as well. We've used 12.5mm plaster boards. It's had a plaster finish. John's finished it in grey and white. We've put fire rated downlighters in the ceiling. We've got our consumer unit over here which has been certified and tested. We've got a 2kW digital heater, which is plenty enough for this size room. We've got fire-rated lights in here. We've got fire-rated lights in the soffit. We've also put a pendant drop on there. We've not fixed it to the ceiling because the customer's going to fix his own, but we've also put a patras in there. If you remember and all, we put patrases in the wall for the heater and for the TV bracket, so when you fix it, you've got a good fixing. The roof, it's a one-piece rubber roof membrane. We've fit anthracite fascia. We've fit a cedar soffit. It's Western grade red cedar and it's treated with a UV stabiliser. I showed you how to build these dummy pillars. They really make the building look well. We've put on these corners as well, which finish it off nice. What else have we done, John? Yeah, decking, composite decking. So we've dropped a 4x2 treated decking base on there and we've put on this composite decking as well. So it's very low maintenance, it'll just wash off. We've got a slate bed round as well. So that's it basically. That's the full build, start to finish, 15 days all in. So if you'd like to please comment and subscribe, that'd be wonderful. And I'll put a link on the end towards my build packs, which are available for sale at my website on www.oakwoodgardenrooms.com. And full instructions how to build one of these yourself. Okay, so thanks very much, and I will see you on the next one, which is next week. And I think the one show coming up to film is also, that might be something else worth watching for you. Thank you.